Hello everyone, this is Juhi Bhardwaj. Welcome all to my channel Vibe with Juhi. I'm a tarot card reader, numerologist, Vastu expert and a crystal healer. If you are interested, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel below. So let's start with today's video. Let's see what's there in today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about a very important tip, a very powerful ritual that will help you in getting rid of all the negative energies that is there in your home and that is also there in your office too. Because along with home, our office also needs protection. Our business, it needs protection from all the negative entities, from all the negative people. Because we interact with a number of clients in our everyday lives. And we don't know what are the energies of those clients. What are their real intention towards us? Because a lot of people, a lot of clients have got a very negative influence. They have a very strong evil eye influence on our work, on our business. And that is why it becomes important to protect our business, our work from such negative energies, from such negative energies of these people, of these clients. And that's why we have to protect our office too, our business. Now, coming back to our home, there are a lot of people we interact with these days. They come in our home too. They do enter in our home, but we don't know what are their real intentions towards us. And the main agenda, the main thing that I'm trying to explain here is that we need protection from each and everything because we are surrounded by negativity these days. That's why people are going in a lot of stress and anxiety related issues. A lot of children, teenagers, even the elder people, they have got a lot of issues, serious health issues. And sometimes we think that everything is going great in our life. Our business is prospering, we are flourishing, our kids are growing, they are achieving great heights in their life, and we have got everything. Nothing will go wrong in our life. We have that kind of attitude when things are in our favor. But is it so? But life is so unpredictable. We don't know what happens at the very next moment. We exactly don't know what can happen in our near future. It is good to be positive. We have to be positive. But we have to take the efforts to protect that positivity, to enhance that positivity with ourselves, within our home and within our office too. That's why we need protection from negative energies, from negative people and from all the toxic entities. That's the way we can be protected. And that's why today I'll be telling you a very powerful ritual that will help you in getting rid of all the negative energies that are there in your home and in your office too. So you have to follow this ritual every week and then you have to see the results. If you need the best results, you have to follow it consistently every week. All you have to do is, you have to take one glass, add some water in it. Don't take a steel glass, just take a normal glass, add some water into it and take a lemon and put that lemon into that glass of water. Just keep that glass half filled with water. I'll repeat again. Take one glass, avoid taking steel glass, just a normal glass is fine. Take some water, add that water in that glass and place one lemon into that glass of water. And you have to place this glass near your main entrance in your home. By placing this lemon with a glass of water near our main entrance will prevent all the negative energies, all the negative people entering into your home. And this will protect your home from all these negative energies. How can you know that there is positivity or negativity in your home? There are 4 variations that you have to check. First is, if the lemon sinks in the water and it reaches the bottom of the water, that means there is a lot of negativity in your home, near your surroundings. But if the lemon floats in the water, that means there is no negativity. There is only positive vibes in your home. Now comes the third way. If the lemon water turns milky, if it's whitish and the lemon goes down, it sinks, that means that lemon water has absorbed all the negative energies which is there in your home. And now comes the last one, the last variation, the 4th variation. If the lemon bursts in the water, that means there was too much of negativity for that lemon to handle it. And Once the lemon has absorbed all the negative energies, lemon has bursted. So what you have to do if the lemon sinks, if the lemon water turns milky, and if the lemon bursts, you have to replace that water immediately. Even if it happens within 2 days or 3 days or 4 days, you have to replace the water immediately with a new lemon. Only then it will give you multiple benefits. Only then it will give you 100% results. And what you have to do, you have to change this water every Saturday. If everything is fine, do it every week and do it every Saturday. You'll get 100% results, and there will be a lot of positivity in your home. Your aura will be cleansed, and all your health problems or whatever problems you are facing in your life right now, you will get rid of all such problems. And the same thing, you can do it in your office. It will prevent all the negativity, all the negative people coming into your office. So if any client has got a lot of negative energies, negative intentions towards you, have a very strong evil eye influence, then that negativity will be absorbed by that lemon. So that way you can protect your business, your work from all such negativity. It will give you good results. So that's it. That's all I have for today's video. In case if you want to know more about some Vastu remedies, numerology, spirituality, or if you need some crystal healing tips, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel below. Also, if you would like to have an in-detail reading with respect to Vastu, tarot card reading, numerology, or if you would like to place an order for any crystal, you can definitely contact me through my email ID, or you can also DM me on my Instagram account. And links for the same I have mentioned in my description box below. So thank you so much for watching my video.